This video, I'll be doing this lab called username enumeration via different responses on Portswigger. But in a much more simpler term, we're gonna use different usernames and passwords until we hack that person's account. So we're just gonna hop in the lab and log in with our credentials. Click that my account right there. And then just type whatever you want in. And then after that, we're gonna go to the proxy tab and turn on intercept so it can capture the traffic. We're gonna click login, and as you guys can see, we have an API request. And then we're just gonna send this to the intruder so we can run payloads. Just right click and then send to intruder. Now let's go to the intruder tab. And as you guys can see, we have the login credentials on line 20. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wanna highlight the username first and just highlight that and click add S. Kind of looks like a dollar sign, but it stands for payload. And this payload tab right here, payload, just like payload configuration, we're gonna wanna like put a list on what different usernames that we want to try, and Burp Suite has that. So we're just gonna click that and then copy this list over here, and we're gonna want to paste it. That's all the usernames that we're gonna try, and then just make sure that the payload type is says like simple list, and make sure that it says sniper attack. Finally, I think that we're good to go, so we're just gonna wanna click start attack so we could see what Burp Suite returns for us and what's actually the valid usernames. And as we scroll down, we see like all the same status code, and you might think it's gonna be hard to find the username, but we're just gonna have to like click the length, and then there we go, we see an outlier. So the username is AQ, and just as we render it, we're gonna see incorrect password. And if we try to see the different accounts, it says incorrect usernames. So that means AQ is like a real account that's working. Now that we know the username, we're gonna try the password and see what is AQ's password. I'm just gonna clear the payloads just to make it organized. So I'm just gonna click the password. We wanna copy these and then press copy, then highlight the password, click paste, and then start the attack just like so. Something's wrong here. Oh, I didn't put. Okay, you're just gonna want to put AQ. Just make sure you're gonna do that. My bad, guys. So start the attack. Um, Same stuff, and we're gonna look at the length. And as you guys can see, Montana is AQ's password. So going back to the login page, we're gonna type in the credentials that we found and see if it's working. And boom, it works. Nice job.